From now on, I'm gonna try hard this shit out. I'm gonna be quiet and try to sound whore, and I just realized. So let's do a live commentary, but we'll stay quiet for the most of the time, so we can sound whore and relate. So yeah, I'm gonna stay quiet for a sec. Say something here and there. No, not a bulldog. I don't want to get close to this guy, and he's upstairs. I'm gonna try to stay as far away as possible. Still lagging. You know what? These guys are playing so weird. It's unreal. Can't even fucking... It's hard to predict where they're gonna be at. Because they're playing weird. Yeah, that guy is also... Alright, this guy was quite nice. A little too much recoil maybe, but it's alright. Yeah! I need a scavenger pack. I need $1. $1 what I need. This game's slow. Really fucking slow. One bullet. Okay. No, I'm gonna blow up. I don't like that guy with the fucking bulldog. Bulldog is probably the most annoyingest gun in the game. Probably the most annoying gun in the game, not the most annoyingest. What am I thinking, yo? I'm gonna try to sneak up. The game is almost over. Shit. Gonna have to start rushing. You queer. Okay, 20. 5 more, or 4, I don't know. Holy shit. Let's go, give me some kills, yo. I actually need to rush a lot right now. Oh my god, this game is slow as fuck. Alright, there we go. Fucking finally got it. I'm sorry for it being so slow. I couldn't find shit. Alright, there we go. We died. Yeah! Oh, he's about to kill me. Wait, what? Alright. Hope you all enjoyed the gameplay, ladies and gentlemen. I know it wasn't the greatest, but it was live commentary. So, gang! Wait, should I call it a SA 2010 Kem or a Honey Badger Kem? I'll call it SA 2010 / Honey Badger because I can. I'll see you boys later. Hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'm out. Peace.